Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm the Epic Modder, aka the Butch Hacksmith. If you're new here, please like and subscribe, and comment down below. But also, please like to show your support, and because I'm thinking about making a online store selling all these things. So if you want to see that, please like down below. Anyway, so yeah, I'm showing you how to make these Nightwing / Black Widow Taser Batons. This will be a different pace of video than the other ones. I kind of like it. I might just keep doing the videos this way. Yeah, without further ado, let's get right to getting the materials. Okay, for this build, you won't need any tools. I mean, besides your hands and maybe a hot glue gun, you can improvise if you want. But anyways, yeah, so here's a simple on-off switch with 2 lugs. You need 2 of them. You need 2 boost converters. These are the taser modules that make the taser tase. Stun gun. You get some spare wire. You need some electrical tape. You need 2 of these battery terminals. The hard ones are better than the leather ones, just because they're a little more durable. And you're going to need 2 5-volt batteries. And yeah, those are basically all the materials, and except for this little epoxy putty. But you can use like hot glue instead if you want. I'm using hot glue for this build. And the main component, which are 2 of these 12 by 3/8 inch metal pipes. I will put them in the description below. All these materials will be in the description below. And these pipes are a little bit dirty, so before you use them, you're going to want to clean them a lot. Okay, so I clean these pipes off. So yeah, they're pretty hard. They're pretty strong. I think they can break wood. They can break some thinner metals. They're really strong. They hurt a lot. They could probably break bones. Anyway, so what you want to do is get the boost converter and try to put it inside. You're not going to actually put it inside yet. Just make sure it fits, because that's what you're going to do. Extend the wires in the boost converter, and add a bunch of switches and whatever, and sort of make it go. So that's all you really want to do. Let's go get to making the switches. Okay, so here I'm drawing some sort of wiring diagram. It's probably the easiest diagram. It's pretty basic. So right here I'm drawing the boost converter. Okay, so that's the boost converter, and I'm going to draw the pipe. So yeah. So right now the boost converter has 2 short wires. So I'm going to attach 2 longer wires to sort of extend its reach to the end of the pipe, so the energy can transfer from the boost converter to the pipe without getting stopped short. Okay, now the boost converter has 2 like input wires in the back. One's positive and one's negative, so I'm going to go label them positive and negative. So you can really put the switch wherever you want, but for the time being, I'm just going to put it in the positive spot. So I'm going to extend the wire a little bit so it's easier for me to draw. So now I'm going to make a switch, and then the switch, if you remember, or if you bought one, it has 3 lugs on the bottom. So the switch, how it works is, switch has a little knob on top. When you put it to the side, it connects the 2 of them, and then when you put it to the other side, it connects the other 2. So you always want to put the battery in the middle. So I'm going to draw a battery terminal right now, and that's sort of the battery, I guess. And the battery has 2 wires, positive, negative, but you put the positive with the positive, right? So the positive goes into the battery terminal, but put it in the middle so you can sort of connect both sides. Now you want to connect the taser module to that side with the wire from the battery. So yeah, let's now make it in real life. Okay, so now I just finished wiring and putting on the wiring. I just put a little bit of hot glue on the front and put the taser diodes. So now they're a little bit soft, but that's good, because when you poke someone, you don't want it to like get stuck in them. That sounds a little dark, but you don't want to get stuck in them, so it just bounces off sort of. And yeah, it works pretty well. There's no issue with it at all. So now the wires are all dirty, and well, they're not dirty, but they're all messy. So I'm gonna go use electrical tape and sort of clean it up. So for that, I'm just gonna hot glue this switch right here. So this is what the finished product looks like. It's pretty strong, a little bit heavy, but it's really powerful, and they pack a nasty bite. I made 2 of them, and yeah, they're not bad at all. Again, if you want to make them, links in the description, or like this video up, and I might make a store and sell them to you. But let's get to testing. Okay, so that was pretty cool. I like testing it. It's really strong, powerful. It sounds very intimidating. Anyways, right now I'm going to give you guys a brief overview on what this is. So the main body, the stick part, is made of a really solid black steel pipe. Really powerful. Could break a lot of stuff. It's very, very dense. Very, very, pretty good. It's scheduled about, I think, like 40. So that means it's like pretty thick metal. Right there on the tip, you have some taser diodes with light angles between them. And here you have a switch, simple on and off switch. The wires kind of detect where you want to go. This whole thing's wrapped in electrical tape just so you don't accidentally shock yourself, because it's not really a weapon. It's more like anti-weapon. I don't know. But anyways, oh yeah, that's the little terminal. There's a battery terminal in the back here where the boost converter is. So you just put it in, take it out, sort of tactically, sort of like a magazine, in a bullet launcher. I don't think I can say it on YouTube. Anyways, like a bullet launcher, just take it in, put it in, out, switch it out, sort of like a tactical magazine. So yeah, that's about it for this video. If you're new here, remember, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. A bunch more videos going in the future. I promise to make a Stormbreaker video this week. I could not. I didn't have enough time. I'm making a Stormbreaker video next week. Stormbreaker Part 1, of course. So that's about it for my Nightwing / Black Widow Taser Baton stick video. So yeah, remember to like below if you want me to open a store where I sell these things online. And that's it for this video. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one.